Dear students, we can discuss about hydrogen bond. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for notifications, like, share among your friends and comment. Hydrogen bond refers to the formation of a chemical bond with a hydrogen. Hydrogen bond forms due to dipole-dipole interaction. You know what is a dipole? An atom with a delta positive charge and another atom with a delta negative charge. When a bond is formed, and this is a weak bond, the hydrogen bond is a weak bond which is formed between hydrogen with an electronegative atom is called a hydrogen bond. We can see how hydrogen bonds are formed and what are the conditions for the formation of a hydrogen bond. A hydrogen bond is an intermolecular force that forms a special type of dipole-dipole attraction when a hydrogen atom bonded to a strongly electronegative atom exists in the vicinity of another electronegative atom with a lone pair of electrons. Hydrogen bonds are generally stronger than ordinary dipole-dipole and dispersion forces, but weaker than true covalent and ionic bonds. In a hydrogen bond, in order to occur, there must be both a hydrogen donor and an acceptor. The donor in a hydrogen bond is usually a strongly electronegative atom such as nitrogen, oxygen or fluorine that is covalently bonded to a hydrogen bond. The hydrogen acceptor is an electronegative atom of a neighboring molecule or ion that contain a lone pair that participate in the hydrogen bond. See, the donor and acceptor are depicted in the figure. Students, you learned about what is hydrogen bond. There are different types of hydrogen bond. Like one is the intermolecular hydrogen bond, other is intramolecular hydrogen bond and a symmetric bond. We can see what are the types of hydrogen bond. Although hydrogen bonds are well known as a type of intermolecular force, shortly written as IMF, these bonds can also occur within a single molecule, between two identical molecules or between two dissimilar molecules. There are two types of hydrogen bonds. One is the intramolecular hydrogen bond and the other is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bonds are those which occur within one single molecule. This occurs when two functional groups of a molecule can form a hydrogen bond with each other. In order for this to happen, both a hydrogen donor and a hydrogen acceptor must be present within one molecule and they must be within close proximity each other in the molecule. For example, intramolecular hydrogen bonding occurs in ethylene glycol between its two hydroxyl group due to the molecular geometry that is shown in this figure. Intermolecular hydrogen bond occur between separate molecule in a substance. They can occur between any number of like or unlike molecule as long as hydrogen donors and acceptors are present in position where they can interact with one another. For example, intermolecular hydrogen bond can occur between NH molecules alone, between HO molecules alone or between NH and HO molecules. See, that is shown in this figure. Next we can see properties and effects of a hydrogen bond. On boiling point. When we consider the boiling points of molecules, we usually expect molecule with larger molar masses to have higher normal boiling point than molecule with smaller molar masses. This, without taking hydrogen bonds into account, is due to greater dispersion forces. Larger molecules have more space for electron distribution and thus more possibilities for an instantaneous dipole moment. On viscosity. The same effect that is seen on boiling point as a result of hydrogen bonding can also be observed in the viscosity of certain substances. Substances capable of forming hydrogen bonds tend to have a higher viscosity than that do not for hydrogen bond. Generally, substances that have the possibility for multiple hydrogen bond exhibit even higher viscosities. What are the factors which prevent hydrogen bond formation. Factors preventing hydrogen bonding are: one is electronegativity. Without significant electronegativity, differences between hydrogen and the atom it is bonded to. Thus, we see molecules such as pH which not partake in hydrogen bonding. pH exhibit a trigonal bipyramidal molecular geometry like that of ammonia, but unlike NH, it cannot be a hydrogen bond. This is due to the similarity in the electronegativities of phosphorus and hydrogen. Both atoms have an electronegativity of 2.1 and thus no dipole moment occurs. This prevents the hydrogen bonding from acquiring partial positive charge needed to hydrogen bond with the lone electron pair in another molecule. Size of the atom. The size of donors and acceptors can also affect the ability to hydrogen bond. This can account for the relatively low ability of chlorine to form hydrogen bond. When the radii of two atoms differ greatly or are large, their nuclei cannot achieve close proximity when they interact, resulting in a weak interaction. Finally, we can see hydrogen bond in nature. Hydrogen bonding plays a crucial role in many biological processes. Can account for the unusual properties of water. Important in the water transport system of plants, secondary and tertiary protein structure, and it is present in DNA base pairing. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for notifications. Like, share among your friends and comment.